You would marry me?
Marry you if what?
If I asked you?
Well, I think I'd love to, but...
You're stalling.
Well, I find it enthralling. I can feel you falling, but not for us. So it's tough.
Are you kidding me?
It's hitting me. You must think that we are not enough.
You're hysterical.
See, now you're being rude.
Rude? How terrible. What a way to shift the mood. Liza, I'm a happy boyfriend. I'm just not overjoyed when you don't respond. But that's fluff.
Are you kidding me?
It's hitting me. You must think that we are not enough.
He wishes we were more the same, but no one ever fits like Flame and Wick. We giggled our first months away, and suddenly our fabrics frayed so quick. He's a dick.
Do we click enough?
Shine.
I shouldn't do this now. Not wise. Shouldn't analyze.
No.
But when did we last philosophize?
My Shiloh.
Liza.
Thought I was your bestie.
Yes, we're going strong.
All you do is test me.
You're wrong.
And how we bore.
Fuck, she yawned. Does she care enough? She'd swear enough. Where's the love I thought I saw in us? You must think that we are not enough. No. Not now.
Ooh.
Anyhow.
Hold on. Bunny,
Please respond.
honey, if you can.
Say yes or no.
Swallow your hiccups.
That's rough.
Hiccuping man.
Enough, I don't mean to judge.
I don't need excuses.
You aren't being fair to me. But would you marry?
Enough.